The Shakerato is Italy's quintessential cold coffee drink, perfectly timed to announce La Primavera. And for me, it's a glass of absolute satisfaction. It's that moment when the city is noticeably heating up, with conversation, life, and fashion. Pour hot coffee and sugar over ice, and shake. Spring has sprung.
Ecco qua, grazie.
Cin cin shakerato? This is a Caffe Shakerato. You can also make it at home. Hey guys, I'm at home and I'm going to show you guys how we make our Caffe Shakerato at home that you guys can do as well. It's really simple. So we have our freshly made coffee, we have a whole bunch of ice, our martini shaker, and some sugar. And it's like super duper simple. I don't know if I'm going to use the right amount of ice. I'm not an expert, but I'm going to have a little bit of fun. So first you pour as much ice on the table as you can. I'm going to toss this off. I like it sugary, so I'm going to put, welcome to the put 3 things of sugar. Okay. Put it in, and then shake. Keep shaking. It's getting really cold. Keep going. Let's see if I can do it like Sant'Eustachio. Let's see how it turned out. Pour it in. Woo! Looking good! Okay, this one looks great. Excellent foam, thank you. Want to try some? Cin cin shakerato. It's good. It's really, really good. Yes!